You can get email notifications whenever your history data is not processed. Here's how you can enable notifications. Go to Setup, click the Setup icon in Salesforce. Search for Custom Settings. In the Quick Find box, search for Custom Settings. Open Email Configuration. From the list, locate Email Configuration. Click Manage next to it. Create a new configuration. Click New. Enter Email Configuration. Details, fill in the following fields. Name. Enter a meaningful name for the configuration. Email address. Enter the email address to receive notifications as active. Check this box. Receive data tracking updates. Check this box. Receive error email notification. Check this box. Save, click Save to enable the notifications.